headed back. Man, that right there is a big bag of the Ziploc zip ties somebody lost in the road. It wasn't so dangerous, I'd get out and get them. There's a big bag of the black zip ties. The long ones. Things are expensive. You know what I'm saying? Hey. afternoon at 5 to pick up a trampoline. You know, one thing that pisses me off is when I put something online to sell for $30 or $40 and they offer me 10 for it. I put some stuff on OfferUp and it was $30, $40 items, and new is right at 100. So I put it on for 30. And these weren't fairly new. Never was used. They were new, but I had them. But you gonna contact me and offer me 10? I'm probably not going to respond to that. I think that thing come loose again on my exhaust. Yeah. That catalyst done come loose again. I guess I'm about to run some more screws in it. I hear it rattling. I don't know what happening here. You hear it rattling, then after more exhaust, it quits rattling. It scares you because it makes a bunch of rattling. What the fuck, you can't hear it. You hear it rattling. Oh well. What happened was something I learned. Burning the low grade fuel in these. And something about, I watched a couple of YouTubes on it where it eats that honeycomb catalyst. And I used to burn the low grade, and on my Y pipe, the left side here come loose. It sounds like a rod knocking first come loose. People probably had it done before. It's scary sounding. And I drove it for probably 2 or 3 weeks, you know. Like that. Before I found out what it was. Because if it's a rod, I guess we'll blow it up. But found out it was the catalyst. I'll have to run some more screws through it. Man got his turn signal on and stuff. Flash like he's gonna get in a hurry out here. It's a great car. You ain't getting no hurry. Something's going on. Normally this is moving. What's that white truck doing up there? I can't or something. What is going on there? That didn't look good. That white truck. What is he doing? Whoa, come on with it now. Is the road raging going on up there or what? I don't know what just happened. See, he got his flashes on again. The white truck's coming over here. Because the gray car doesn't slow down. It's like something's going on with the gray car and the white truck. Let's see what's gonna happen now. They're running side to side. Because he decided to go on now. Decided it wasn't worth it. I ain't got to turn signal on. Yeah, I don't know what was going on there. Thought we could see something. Looked like a little low road rage going on. You know, I thought that rattling, that catalyst rattling like that, I figured it would beat itself to death. And there was one evening I did crank up, you could hear a piece of it did come out, went back as far as the muffler back there and stopped. It rolled down that pipe. Ding, ding, ding. It said dink when it got back in the back. I guess it's back in the muffler. But I learned you better burn the mid-grade. If you burn the high grade, you just waste your money. They ain't no real big difference they tell you that, but they ain't. So I burn the mid-grade, it don't bother. It don't ping, nothing. The low grade it pings, bad fuel mileage. Catalyst rattling like that, it's real small. It's on the white pipe on the Chevrolets. I figured it'd beat itself to death. Go more pieces. A message from my bank. Come over here. Checking to get on. Quit early Thursday, so I can go get some money to go get that truck. Ride back. Say it's only 18 minutes, but we're almost 16 into this one because of traffic. We've got about a 3/4 mile to go. I've got to get some wipers. If you pull up here and stop and back off, it sets the alarms off, telling you you're going the wrong way. They think somebody made a left turn to come in here. Hear that rattling? So we'll have to fix that. I have to run some more screws in it. What I do is I push the broken block just up against the frame of the catalyst case. I run a screw in it and wedge it up so it won't rattle. But I may drive it a couple of days with it rattling as if it'll beat itself to death some. It should come apart. Ain't much left. Like I say, it come apart the other day when I did it. I heard it go back there. Or just buy another white pipe. Get it on there. The truck's got EGOs, so it needs that catalyst. But you know, there's something always wrong with the mechanic's car or truck. They fix everything else up right. And mine is a pretty good truck. But now that catalyst, I'm going to fix it now. It's got 300,000 on it. That's good. But I think I am going to sell it for too long. If I get a good offer on it, I might let it go. Runs good. Good fuel mileage. Say I go 2.5 weeks to work on a tank. Gets right at 18 miles. 20 out on the road. Road 20. I need to buy an oil sending unit for it. This one pegged out the other day. I found out Chevrolets, they do that. But they said you can unplug it, plug it back in, and go back to working. I gotta reach back there and get to it. It's almost under the intake. Cadillac. Gone. Oh, he got him a Camino there. That one got him Cadillac behind me. He gonna beat that car all up, boy. Some people don't know what they got. You know, he'll beat that car to death. I don't think he knows what he's driving. But anyway, we made this trip. We're here. And we'll go again in the morning. 2 minutes longer than what we normally take. So that traffic holds up too bad. 2 minutes. Wasn't bad. Thanks for riding. And see y'all again in the morning. We'll go again. Take care till then.